This is the GDC Money Clip. It holds your cash, up to 5 cards, and a 1.75-inch fine-edge stainless steel blade. At just 3.6 total inches, the Money Clip fits easily into your pocket. When you need the blade, just grab the ring, release the lock, and pull. The thumb notch ensures a solid hold that won't budge. After you're done, the blade snaps back into the super sturdy steel sheath shielded by a G10 composite plate. This is function, utility, and style in your pocket. This is the GDC Money Clip.
In ancient Japan, the samurai were extremely powerful. They were warriors who followed a strict moral code and protected their loved ones to bring honor to their families. Their weapon of choice was the tapered samurai sword, which was so sharp that it could cut through a silk scarf gently dropped on its blade. We have recreated the iconic samurai sword, pocket-sized.
This is the Schrade SCHA3BS assisted opening knife, one of several models in the SCHA3 series. Housed in a stout ergonomic weight-reducing aluminum handle, the 2.9-inch 4034 stainless steel Tanto blade is deployed by sliding the safety lock to the open position and rotating the finger actuator on the spine side of the handle. The rapid release spring assist can also be activated with one hand by utilizing the ambidextrous thumb stud on the spine of the blade. The blacked out Tanto blade converges to form a narrow point that is well suited for everyday carry and tactical situations where additional piercing capabilities are needed. Versatility is increased through the added cutting power of the partially serrated edge. The blade is stored in the handle by sliding the liner lock to the side with one hand and carefully closing the blade into the handle with the other. A rubberized handle insert on both sides increases grip, and a durable, heavy-duty pocket clip keeps the SCHA3BS in place and ready for rapid deployment with one hand. Designed for EDC and tactical situations, crafted from premium materials, and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCHA3BS Assisted Opening Knife. Available SCHA3 Tanto Blade models are the SCHA3BS with black finished, partially serrated edge and black grip insert, SCHA3B with black finished, fine edge blade and black grip insert, the SCHA3 with matte finished, fine edge and gray grip insert, the SCHA3S with matte finished, partially serrated edge and gray grip insert, the SCHA3CB with two-tone finish, black fine edge blade and black grip insert, and the SCHA3CBS with two-tone finish, black partially serrated edge, and black grip insert.